Yes, wonderful nature here in the Gömmaren Naturreservat, the beautiful nature reserve of Gömmaren, with the lake with the same name as the reserve. And look at that, it's the most beautiful water, clean natural lake. There is a small sand beach over there, and there are rocks along the whole lake, and there is even a wooden deck further there. Let's go check it out as well while we explore. So I really look forward to this dip. And yes, this is in Huddinge commune. And it's perfect. Yes, today is 22nd of May, Monday. Outdoor temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and feels like temperature of 17 degrees. And yes, we are ready to go in. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing color of the water. Look at that, it's super clean. And it's super warm as well. Okay, not super warm, but decent temperature. Decent temperature for this 22nd of May. Beautiful nature. Beautiful. Fantastic Monday. Look at that. All right. I will let you enjoy more of this view before I go in. Wonderful. All right. Then we are finally ready to dive in. And I'm gonna swim here for a longer time. And this might be also my go-to place to make my swimming trainings also. Because I see over there you can swim from one side to the other and back several times, or from this side to the other one, the long one, depending on how much you want to swim. So it's perfect. The water is so clean and amazing. Nature all around. The birds are singing. Fantastic. And yes, today we celebrate 30 beach days in Sweden this year. Today is the 30th day, and we have a lot more to go in order to beat my record from 2 years back, from 2021, which was 157 beach days. And I think we're gonna be able to make it, since we have time until November. And yes, I was already out of the country for 14 days for 2 vacations, and I might be 1 more week away at late summer. So those days are going to waste, but yeah, I think we're still gonna be able to make over 160 days. Anyway, let's not wait and enjoy this beautiful lake Gömmaren here in Huddinge. Let's go! Oh, and it gets deep real quick here. So it's quite of a deep lake. I'm not even 10 meters away from the shore, and it's real deep. The water, amazing. No words can describe it. It's so awesome to be living in Stockholm with close proximity to many natural fantastic lakes like this one, but also closeness to the Baltic Sea and the sea adventure that entails with it. Okay, I'm standing here, but further down there it's getting deep very quick. So this is amazing. I'm going to enjoy a bit more in the water, but I'm gonna finish up this video segment here and gonna tell you greetings from Gömmaren Lake in Huddinge. Woohoo!